Okay, here we go in 3. One of the questions I often get in the comments is, what camera gear do we take when we're doing a multi-day hike? Because you've got to remember, every gram counts. So let me run through what I take. First of all, it is a bit of a luxury, but I do take the big Sony camera, the A7. And that's because the photos that I want to take them home, blow them up on the wall and make them as big as I can. If I just do that on an iPhone, I just don't have the right file size, so it is a bit of a luxury. It is a lot of weight, but I do carry it. In terms of lens, I've gone for the Tamron 28-200. I've taken wider lenses, I've taken longer lenses, but really the 28-200 gives me, in terms of taking just one lens, the most bang for the buck along the journey. I always take one extra charger just in case I run out of charge or leave that one on, and that gets me by. Now, it's a bit of a luxury also, but I have added to the kit a very small tripod. This is the smallest one I could find. It is handy if I want to do some long exposures, some nighttime sky trails when we're out on the trek, and also really handy for setting up to get that selfie at the end of the day. Of course, don't forget the iPhone. Don't underestimate what great photos, what great video, because you have this in your pocket, you can pull it out in a flash if you see an animal, a spectacular moment that you just want to capture really fast. This is great quality and really worthwhile. I also carry a DJI Action 4, which I've just added to the kit. I wanted this because it's waterproof. Yesterday we were in an absolute deluge and this did not miss a trick. And I've also added in a small microphone just to carry with it, just so I can get that perfect audio, because perfect audio counts a lot. Now there's one other camera I need to show you, and that is the DJI Osmo, the Pocket Osmo. This is our workhorse. This does most of our content. It's fantastic when my wife and I are out on the trail. I've got one microphone, she's got another microphone. We can walk along the trail, both of us talking to each other. It can track our faces. It's a fantastic camera. It can do time lapses, it can do photo, and its video is exceptional. In fact, if I could only take one out of all these devices other than the phone, it would be this one here. The other camera that I love to carry flies. It's the DJI Mini 3 Pro drone. It allows me to capture imagery that unlocks 1,000 stories. But in many jurisdictions, you can't fly them in national parks, so I leave it at home. But where I can fly, even if it means a license fee, it's worth its weight in gold. That's our equipment. It allows us to get the best shots, not only to keep all our memories when we get home, but also to share this great content on our channel. Sign up and follow if you'd like to see more of our content.